Look into your eyes. It's like a once in the night sky, or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, just like the most high. See that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Pwede ba tulungan si VJ kumanta? I won't give up. Everybody sing. Oh. Even if this time gets rough, even you want my love, I'm still looking up. Pakihawak mo. When the need in your space to do some navigate, well, I'll be here patiently waiting. That I can make. The differences they do a lot to teach us how to use the tools and gifts they got a lot at stake. And in the end, we're still my friends. At least we need intent for us to work. We need and break, we need and burn. We have to learn how to bear without the world. To love what I'm not, and what I'm not, and who I am. I won't give up on us, even if the sky get rough. And giving you all my love, I'm still looking up. I love you, mahal. Happy anniversary. I won't give up on us. I love you. Talagsara kayo na ako na siya na surprise, guys. Mga nakahilak yun siya. Kung kabalo lang ka, unsa ko ka-proud sa imo nga ikaw ako naging wife. Ilang ko, ginabog nga na ako akong hilak. Kanya na lang ako mahilak. Ito, magkahilak dito ko. Dili na ako ni sa love language. Pero, diri man malipay akong mahal. Dili mo maluoy sa bata. Pila man eh. Gusto lang na ako ipag-feel sa imo nga special kayo kasako. More than anything. Bisag balikan pa nato itong dati. Bisag balikan pa nato itong dati nga walang-wala ka ta. Kabalo si Lord sa atong heart. Parehas. I love you. Saan naman ipagdala? Dire na lang. Ay, pwede picture? Okay guys, palakpakan naman nato si Charlotte. 9 years and counting more. Renewal me next year. Kuha na ulit. May nalang yun, wala na ako gipasinsilyo. 100 doon na lang. Gipasinsilyo. Welcome. Dako ka, uy. Wala ko nag-expect. Una na katagal. Thank you po.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wala pa masigabong palakpakan for BJ and Charlotte. Ayan. Tatanggap naman talaga ng money bouquet. Pero mukhang nabili tayo, puro pisngi yung... Come on, kiss. Kiss. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Ladies and gentlemen, mas na sa palakpakan for Charlotte and BJ. Congratulations for this beautiful 9 years of being together with 2 wonderful children and counting. Abangan natin. Sabi ni BJ, kaya-kaya pa. Charlotte, kakalma lang muna. Meanwhile, ladies and gentlemen,